Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Pioneer Outdoors. It's gonna be a good one today. On the river right now with some Amish behind me. Here's my beautiful, pretty lady girlfriend right there, Abby. It's gonna be a good one today. Just like I said, we're on the river fishing for some smallmouth today, and I know there's big ones being caught out of here. Buddy right down the road here lives down the road. We're stopping at a hole right here off this bridge. There's a big old hole down there, and I've seen some big fish roaming around down there. So we parked on the side of the road here real quick. We're gonna pound the crap out of this hole and see if we can catch anything, because I'm pretty positive there's a fish down there. So we're gonna get rigged up. I'm gonna let her throw a little Ned rig around, and I'm gonna throw probably like a white tube around, because last time that seemed like it was the money. So I'm excited. It's afternoon time. I mean, don't really need much time to fish these, because there's 4 holes that I know of just in this one stretch, and the one good one is behind our buddy's house down there. Big hole, and me and Daryl pulled 2 fish, 2 smallmouth out of there last time, and I hooked onto a good probably 30-inch pike out of there. So you guys know that video. I'll link it down below and up in, I think it's that corner, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so go check that video out, and we're gonna do the same thing tonight, except she's gonna catch her PB smallmouth, guaranteed, no doubt about it. It's not focusing, but you can see her. So anyways, we're gonna go pound this hole real quick and see if we can pull some big old juicy smallmouth out of it. Little guy. Just flip him up here.
I don't think I'm pretty big, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Why?
Because I forgot.
Oh, I got it.
Like,
Good job. Wanna hold him?
sure. Sure. Little fish.
There you go. Toss him back.
Can I just check him?
Yep.
Aw, I feel that probably hurt.
Yikes. Yeah, boy. Yikes. Shut up. I've been doing that all day. I did it at Shamrock too, like 30 times. Cast right here. Hold on, let me go first. Gotta make sure it's safe. Go.
If you make it through, doesn't mean I'm...
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I got one.
Oh,
Oh, dude, it's huge.
Let me get the...
It's a piker. Oh, it's a small jaw.
I was gonna say, that's not no butt.
It looked like one. Yikes.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yikes. Oh, Daddy frickin' whacked it. Yikes. You have one too?
Yeah.
Doubled up, Josh.
A little guy. You cast it up there first.
Made sure it was safe. Look at that! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh!
Ow!
I'm gonna weigh this thing.
Yeah, it's nice.
Bet it's
Oh!
2.5 pounds.
Mine's bigger if you can't tell.
Yikes. Hold on, buddy. Holy crap. Hold on. Stop, 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 stop. It's not 4.2.
Yeah, I know. It's like 3.
If it was 4.2, that'd be my PB. 3.7. Nice. Look at that. Hold on, can you hold this? I'm gonna go get the big camera real quick.
Well. I don't want to give this guy water because I don't want to drop him. I'm scared.
All right, hold on.
Just hurry up.
I can't. I'm out of shape. Well, there's a nice smallmouth right there. That is a 3.6. Blech. I'm dying right now. I just ran up all the way to the car to get the camera here, but anyways, there's a big old smallie right there. 3 pounds, 6 ounces. Nice one on the white tube. Dropped it. Hold on, he can do a little hop, skip, and a jump. Oh, he's good.
Oh, there's gnats. I hate gnats.
Whoa.
Another skipper.
Yikes.
Dude, it nailed that thing for how little it is.
Is that the same fish?
Probably.
Ow. That was dumb.
Why don't you just grab it out? And...
Because it doesn't go. You fucking buried the hook. Here's your catch. Look at that beautiful smallmouth. Do you want to hold it? Or
No, just toss it back. Hold on, let me try to catch one more.
Whoa, okay. See ya.
You should watch that video. You nailed that thing. I want to catch a big one.
Maybe. Can we get 4?
I think it's...
My God. Dude. Same one again?
Bro.
That looks different. He looks like a different color.
Oh,
maybe
we ate
not,
it.
actually. Dude, I think that's the same fish. Is it? It's the same fish! 3 times! What an idiot!
I want to try again.
Can you do it again? 2 casts, caught the same exact fish, and he's ready to go again, baby! Let's do it again! Oh! Alright, it's getting dark here, as you guys can tell. And, this, pretty girl right here ended up out fishing me tonight. Kind of. Not really. She caught one little one back at the first hole, and then she caught this two little ones right here. One was a different one. We doubled up when I caught that big one. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, the big one. Of course, I catch the big ones. Knew it was gonna happen. I always catch the big ones. She catches the dinks like normal. You know, no big deal. Anyways, she caught 2 little ones in this hole. Hooked 3 fish. But she caught the same fish twice, so obviously the fish is dumber than a rock. I thought he'd go 3 times. Honestly, she might have caught the same fish 3 times. I don't know, because that fish was in there, but yeah, so that one I caught, that was a nice fish. No big, no second guessing her. But anyways, it's getting dark here, guys, so I'm gonna end this off right with a good old go down. If you're new to my channel, go down. Click subscribe, guys. Come on, gotta get there. I'm just trying to grow the channel here, trying to spread the channel to more people, and let people know. Share share this video with your friends and family and whoever you want to share it with. I mean, also go down, click that like button below, and go down in my description, click the links to my social medias, my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook and Twitter also. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure to what?
Keep on keeping it real.
And we'll see you in the next episode.